Achieve a subtle and moisturized pop of color with Merit Beauty Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil. We all know that keeping our lips moisturized is important, but how about adding a pop of color without compromising its health? That's what Maraschino, a shade from Merit Beauty's Gelées collection, offers. Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oils give a subtle, moisturizing, and buildable color with a high shine finish. Moreover, these lip oils are clean, vegan, cruelty-free, and made to be sustainable. Read on to know more about Merit Beauty Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil and why you should include it in your beauty arsenal. Merit Beauty Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil is not your ordinary tinted lip product. It has a sheer and cushioned formula that delivers a natural look for your lips. Don't worry about getting the exact shade, as it works with your lips' natural pH and color to create a subtle stain that looks different on everyone. This point makes Merit Beauty Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil unique from other tinted lip products that have a one-shade-fits-all approach. Dry and chapped lips can now bid their goodbye with Merit Beauty Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil. It is formulated with plant-derived squalene that moisturizes your lips while restoring its suppleness. Merit Beauty Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil also has quinoa seed oil that helps restore the barrier function of your lips to shield it from environmental aggressors. These ingredients make this tinted lip oil a great option for people with dry lips. Do you hate reapplying your lip tint every hour? Then you'll love Merit Beauty Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil's long-lasting effects. By repeated use, it can maintain your lips' moisture levels over time. This tinted lip oil's effects are not just temporary, but also contribute to the overall health of your lips. One of the things that make Merit Beauty Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil remarkable is their commitment to sustainability. This tinted lip oil comes in a signature packaging that is either recyclable, reusable, or compostable. It is also clean and EU compliant. Furthermore, it is vegan and Leaping Bunny certified. Merit Beauty Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil doesn't just make you look good, but also makes you feel good about your beauty choices. Merit Beauty Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil is a versatile product that offers more than just a pop of color. It is a product that cares about your lips' health and the environment. Its sheer, moisturizing, and buildable formula is perfect for everyday use. Whether you're at work or on a date, Maraschino shade from the Gelées collection has got you covered. It's about time that we support beauty brands that have a greater purpose than just profit. Merit Beauty Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil is a game changer and a standout product that every beauty enthusiast should try.